Turn it on.
I just go like that.
Ooh. No.
How do I do it? I just go like this. You guys can see I'm really excited to do this. Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural channel. We have a guest. We have a guest on today, and if you guys don't know, this is my husband. So this is my husband Ola, and today he has been growing out his hair. How long have you been growing your hair?
It's over a month now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna zoom and show you his hair. So turn this way. So this is how much he has grown his hair for. You guys, this man hasn't done anything yet. His hair grows. Turn the other way. Let's see. Turn like that. So you guys see how much hair he has grown. And what happened? We wanted you to keep on growing your hair, but then what happened?
What happened?
What was happening yesterday? You didn't sleep.
Oh, it was itching.
So I don't know, why is it that men's hair itch when they are getting ready to cut their hair? Your hair itches, especially when it starts growing, it will start itching. So, but anyway, so we're going to be gisting and we're going to be cutting his hair, and this is what, is this the one?
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to be using to cut his hair. What is this? What brand is this one?
Wall.
Okay, Wall. And so I'll put a link in the description area where he got this, and you guys will be able to get it. But this is what he's been using. I haven't used this before, so this is going to be my first time cutting his hair. Cutting his hair on camera, so you guys will see. But okay, a little bit of gist. So he travels normally, right? And he came home. When he came home, what was the first thing you saw?
I saw potatoes all over the place. I'm like, what is this
It's like,
about?
what is this about? And I said, I am making potato juice to grow my hair as an experiment. So he's always coming home to discover new experiments, and you get used to it, right?
Rice, water,
Gary.
water.
Which other one? Onion.
Almost everything. I'm waiting for Ogbono though.
Ogbono. I use cactus water. Which other one have I done? I've used a lot. Goat milk. I've used I've used soap nuts. You don't even know what soap nut is. There are some things that I've used and he hasn't even seen. So, but we're gonna cut his hair now. So, do I have to do anything? Yeah, no, I don't even need to cover him. We are fine.
No,
right?
I'm good.
So what do I do?
Just turn it on.
I just go like that.
Ooh. No.
How do I do it? I just go like this. You guys can see I'm really excited to do this.
You gotta turn it on because you are poking me.
I'm poking you.
Yeah. Turn it on. You just have.
I don't have to brush your hair.
No.
Okay, let me
just have a pattern, maybe from
a
the
pattern.
back.
Ooh, let me do style. Okay, from the back to the front.
Yeah, but it gotta be on. If not, you...
Let me turn. I'm gonna turn this on like this. Where do you turn it on? Yeah. Ooh.
Then see, you can adjust here, but it's already set.
It's already set.
All the way to the minimum.
All the way to the minimum. So this is it. So I'm going to go
You're
from.
gonna make a mess though. Well.
Yeah, but that's why I sweep. We're gonna sweep and clean.
Okay.
So let me start from the back. Yeah. How low do you want it? Because I think I shaved you bald.
Yeah.
You want it to be super bald?
That's fine.
Scared. You guys see what I'm doing? Oh my God, this design. Wait.
No.
I'm cutting. Oh my God. I like this style. You know this style, growing little, when we were little, all these boys that we have some on top and none at the back. What is that, Anita Baker?
Oh, fine.
I don't know what style that is. I don't want to cut your ears though.
Yeah, then you fold it here. You hold it away from it.
Oh, I'll hold your hair away. Okay, like,
Mm-hmm.
let me see if I can get it like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ooh. I think I'm trying. You guys see? Am I doing a good job? Hey, I like this design though. This is a nice design. This is a nice design. Okay, so I fold your ears. Is it hurting? Awesome. I need those things. You know, when you go to the barber shop, they have those things to dust your hair. Wait, I'm gonna stop. Whew, mine is this thing, mine is shaking like that.
Thing.
The
Clipper now.
Can I use this?
Yeah, you can use
Okay, so I'm gonna
it.
brush
You
out.
You don't brush. You brush it the way.
Oh, the way it grows. Okay.
That's how you see the leftovers.
Oh, this is not bad. This is nice design. Look, nice design.
Here's the mirror.
Let me show you the mirror. Here you go. So, you guys see?
And it looks. It's okay.
Should I continue?
Yeah.
Or you want me to keep this style? You like this style? Or we should continue?
No, just continue.
Okay, let me continue. Oh, blood.
Sharknado style.
Sharknado, wear blood all over. Next thing I cut your hair, and you be like, you just fire me. Can a husband fire the wife?
Yeah.
How does husband fire wife? No, but how will the husband fire wife?
You are fired now.
They are fired. Like, if a husband divorce wife, does that mean the wife is fired? That's what the wife is. What the wife is. Oh my gosh, I wounded you. Ow. It's bleeding.
Yeah, just exciting.
What do I do?
It's okay, just.
You see there?
A little brush. Here's the brush.
Oh, this is the brush. Guys, I am done, and I'm going to show. I tried. Don't touch. You keep on touching it. I tried.
Little boo boo.
I tried what? I tried and I made a little boo-boo. I made a little mistake, okay? So you guys, this is what I did. And you see it's a bit clean. And he also went through and he cleaned up some parts of it. But overall, I didn't do that badly. Let's see the back. So the back of it. See, I tried, like, not that bad. But then, what happened? So while I was cutting the front, I don't know what happened. I just did that right over there. So right over there, you guys see? Keep still. Keep still. Yeah, so a little bit of a boo-boo right over there. But anyway, mistakes happen. He's not gonna fire me because of that. But yeah, thank you so much for having confidence in me, even though I cut your head.
Confidence.
Confidence. You don't have confidence in me.
Hey.
See, he's not gonna let me cut his hair again.
No.
I can only get better.
Practice make
better. So the next time you need to cut your hair, come to my salon where we don't cut your head, we cut your hair. Okay, let's talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.